Hello guys, this is Lokem. So hope you all doing good. So today we are doing optical character recognition. We'll be detecting text using our Android phone. So I've done the basic setup. Here we have a text view, a surface view, and a button. The basic layout is this one. We won't be changing the text view is where we'll display our scanned text. The surface view will be where our camera will be shown, and the confirm button, that's just an action the user can do after scanning the text. So I think we should just basically go to the code and see what we have. The first thing that we're gonna do is set up the dependency. So here we have the dependencies. That's the first step we're gonna do, and then we're just gonna go straight to the manifest and add our permission to use the camera. This is very crucial not to have any errors on your Android phone. So remember, if an app has errors, just crash, you just come down to the logcat and you check. So next thing, let's get to check if the permission is already granted. So here we just do this so that some phones do not give permission automatically, starting from I think Marshmallow and above, I don't know, but anyway, it's good so that we avoid a lot of errors. And when the permission is not granted, we have said that we will automatically request for the permission with the request ID. So we need to also check for the permission on request permission result. So here we're just doing this so that we know when the user gives the permission. Otherwise, we can start. Then we can start our scanning, right? So now. So then we start our text recognizer and build it, and we have to check if it's operational. Remember that we don't want any null exceptions. This will cause our app to crash. So you just have to check if it's operational. Remember that text recognizer is a class that is already generated from our dependency that we added. So meaning also some plugins that the user uses in the app are downloaded from the internet, so we just have to check it and detect if it's available to be used. After doing our setup, we just have to do the camera source and the surface view. Now camera source will set our camera, and the surface view is where we are setting it up. So this is the camera source. Basically it's self-explanatory. You can see we are facing the camera at the back, the frequency, yeah, that's just self-explanatory. And then we're gonna get the field view by ID for the camera, the surface view I mean, where we'll show it. And now we set up our surface view with the camera source right here. So very simple. It just does that. If there is no permission, request for permission. So we are in step number what? Step number 8, we are gonna now receive detections, and this is actually the last of our classes that we are writing. So we're gonna set the processor and receive the detections, then we are gonna loop them so that they appear in new lines. We don't want a long line of detections, we just need a single line. And lastly, we need to add this important metadata so that we tell our app, our Android phone, that when the kind of metadata that we're using, you can see that we are using OCR from Google Vision. So we just need to tell it that so that it downloads those things that we need. Remember, we did our set to do, so let's just update it. Good enough. After the permission is granted, we just need the camera source to be started. Now we are so done with this app, and thanks guys for watching. If you want the code, it's on GitHub. Look down on the description. Now you're ready to build and run your app. Have a great time, guys.